guys, this is NJ. So we will continue our series on thumb. Like the way I always begin my video with the basic principles and concepts of palmistry. So palmistry can be divided in two categories. First meant to be chirognomy which is the study of the structure of your hand, the length of the fingers, the broadness of the palm, about the bracelets, about the whether how is the condition of the thumb on your hand. These things, study of these things come under the domain of chirognomy. Chirognomy, which is the study of the structure of hand, tells about the inherent personality traits of a person. Then comes the another vertical of the palmistry, which is chiromancy. Chiromancy is the study of the marking and lines of your hand, which apart from your life path also tells or is also used for the daily fortune and the fortune telling. So we have already we are taking up chirognomy first. We have, as a part of the chirognomy, we have already discussed the fingers in detail, what all these fingers represent, what will happen in different kind of markings if they'll be found on the fingers. Like the way your first finger, which is index finger, it is associated with planet Jupiter and represents all the good and moral and intellectual qualities of the Jupiter. Then comes the second finger, which is known as middle finger. This finger is associated with planet Saturn. It tells about your judgment, your analytical knowledge, your discipline, your sense of right and wrong, and in case of afflicted could also lead someone and push someone to melancholy and negativity and loneliness. But these are the traits which are associated with the middle finger. Then comes the ring finger, which is associated with planet Sun. It tells about your creative and artistic abilities and your risk-taking ability in this life. Then comes the last finger, which is known as your little finger. This finger is associated with planet Mercury, and it tells about your communication abilities, your self-expression, your business acumen, and about your sexuality. So now we have reached to the last, which is the thumb. Thumb, like the way I've been telling you about, thumb is the soul of your hand. It is so strong that no negative sign has the potential and capacity to afflict it because of the strongness of the thumb. And while doing whether career counseling, whether you want to know whether someone is suited for business or service, we give equal, we apart from the other signs, we also give very major dominance to the quality and shape of the thumb. And apart from that, whenever you want to check any animalistic signs, a sign of insanity, so while analyzing and doing the assessment on those levels or those grounds, we also give equal importance to thumb. So we have discussed that the first flange represents your will, the second flange represents your logical ability. We have also discussed the different kinds of shape of the thumb and what are the traits which can be spotted in the different shape of the thumb. We have also discussed about the flange thicknesses, that what will happen when the first flange would going to be thicker, thinner, and same goes with the second flange. So now we have reached the part when we will discuss that what will happen when the thumb is set high on the palm or when the thumb is set low in on the palm. So thumb setting. So first of all, let's say if the thumb is high set, let's say if the thumb is high set on your palm. So you can take this as an example. So let's say, let's make it a little bit more. So we'll consider it as high set only. So in the case of when the thumb is set high on the palm, so you know the way you can visualize it as or learn it as that with highness on the, with its placement higher on the palm, it is getting closer to the finger of Jupiter, which in itself represents mental qualities, your wisdom, your fame, your honor, all the moral and the virtuous qualities. So when thumb would get closer to the, or when innately it is placed closer to the index finger or high set on the palm, so these people would remain to be very intellectual driven. So they take interest in all the intellectual abilities. So like the way you will find people who are the natural problem solvers or who are very intellectual creatives. So these are the people who have the thumb which is high set on the palm. Then comes the second category, when you will see let's say thumb is so let's say if you'll spot a thumb like this, where it is very low set on the palm. So these people would remain to be very practical in life. So a high set thumb person has the ability to visualize things. This person is very mentally, very intellectual. But a low set thumb person has the ability to implement and practically execute the thought processes. So the high set thumb people would remain to be very intellectually and very mentally creative. These people would remain to give very much dominance to the problem solving and the natural communication, and like the people who are in the field of media, mass journalism, communication. So these are the people who have the high set thumb, and the people with low set thumb, because the normal concept is that with low setting position of the thumb on the hand, these people are getting away from, the little bit far from the finger of index finger, the finger of Jupiter. So these people remain to be very practically governed. This person has the ideas, but this person has the ability to execute those practical ideas to the fruition. So we have discussed the thumb setting, the high set and the low set. Now comes the second part, which is also very important to know, the thumb opening or flexibility of the thumb. So in case if you will find if you will find very narrow angle between the thumb and the index finger, so narrow gap between index finger and the thumb infuses the traits of very introvertness, very reserved, and sign of inhibition in the personality of a person. So because it is very closely like placed to the rest of the fingers of the palm. So if you will find a thumb which is closely held, is a sure sign that this person would be very reserved and would be introvert. So like the way I have been telling in all my videos, these are the basics which I am feeding you guys. Along with that, you need to study the hand from all the angles, then you need to narrow it, funnel it down, and then land to one conclusion. But a thumb which is closely stick to the index finger is a sure sign that this person would be reserved in his life. Then the second sign, which is a 45-degree of angle between index finger and thumb. So this is, first was the exception case. This is the normal case where you will find it in the hands of majority of the people. So when this angle would remain to be balanced, somewhat like this. (45° to 90°). So these are the people who are, see, this is the combination which is found, or this is the position or flexibility which is found in the hands of majority of the people, or the majority of the masses. So this is the case, and the personality traits which are associated with these people are that these people are very balanced, these people possess very good confidence, and they have got a balanced approach in all the walks of their life. So the first remain to be reserved, first remain to be introvert, the second would remain to be balanced. He will have with equal dexterity and equal of tact, he will handle all of his relationship and his social circle of life. So first being associated with the traits, second we have also discussed. The third opening of the thumb would remain to be when it is the angle which is found between the index finger and the thumb remains to be more than 90 degree. So it's like very widely spread. So if so it's like this thumb, so more than 90 degree this thumb can be opened up. So these people would remain to be very extrovert, and these people would remain to be very extravagant, full of confidence. But the negative quality is these people would remain very vulnerable to the rashness and brashness in their life. So this is all what I had to say on this. I will give a quick recap. The thumb setting, the more the thumb is high set on the palm, these tell that these people are very intellectually governed. When the thumb is low set on the palm, these people would remain to be very practical in their approach towards life. Then comes the opening of the thumb. If the thumb is very closely associated with the index finger, when the angle is less than the angle which is being formed is very less, then these people would remain to be very reserved and very introvert in life. When the angle is balanced, the angle which is being formed here, this angle remains to be from 45 to 90 degree balanced, then these people will have a balance in their life. And the third case is when the angle which is being formed between the index finger and the thumb is more than 90 degree, these people would remain to be very very rash, very extravagant and very confident in their life. So this is all what I had to say on this. I hope you guys found this video informational. For further more updates and notification on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.